We got Cameron Wyatt Poindexter. He's 6.5 years old. Summer 2012, and he's gonna do a cannonball. Yeah! Good job, Cameron. Okay, what? Okay, we got Katie Poindexter, and she's gonna go pee in the grass.